Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Volvo NomadXtreme 6x6. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both off-road capability and comfort. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends minimalist aesthetics with rugged functionality. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from premium eco-leather seating to sustainably sourced wood accents. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, an immersive surround sound system, and a panoramic window for breathtaking views of any terrain. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including an integrated espresso machine, a smart refrigerator, and even a compact freezer drawer for long expeditions. The bedroom with a king-size bed offers exceptional comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features high-end fixtures, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home, even in the wilderness. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Volvo NomadXtreme 6x6 is a true work of engineering art. With its bold, boxy, expedition-grade design, it dominates any terrain while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency for highway cruising. The exterior is finished with Volvo's military-grade matte armor coat paint, which not only looks striking but also provides extreme durability. The large retractable awning creates a perfect outdoor space for relaxation, while the forged off-road wheels and signature Volvo iron mark add a touch of rugged exclusivity. Built on a reinforced 6x6 chassis with advanced torsion flexibility, this motorhome handles rough terrain without sacrificing strength or stability. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo NomadXtreme 6x6 is powered by a cutting-edge hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain designed for both power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing rocky trails, this motorhome delivers an outstanding driving experience. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo hybrid inline-six, paired with electric torque boosters and an adaptive off-road suspension system, ensures a smooth and controlled ride even on the harshest roads. The motorhome is equipped with a smart multi-mode transmission that shifts seamlessly, giving you the perfect balance between raw power and refined comfort. Additionally, the NomadXtreme 6x6 features advanced terrain assist technology, making it easier to maneuver through tight campsites, steep inclines, and unpredictable landscapes. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Volvo NomadXtreme 6x6 is undoubtedly a high-end expedition motorhome, and the price reflects that. With a starting price of around $780,000, it's not an option for the budget-conscious, but for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury, durability, and off-road performance, it offers exceptional value. The price includes its bespoke features, its advanced hybrid powertrain, and the unmatched craftsmanship that comes with the Volvo name. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a limitless adventure lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 Volvo NomadXtreme 6x6 is an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge off-road technology. It offers a level of comfort and capability that is unmatched in the world of expedition motorhomes. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or an off-grid expedition into the unknown, the NomadXtreme 6x6 delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.